This has just been like such an enriching experience, especially a young person of color. It's great to see some of the teachers and the students that were helping us, because it's like I could be them, and then therefore I can come back and help others in my same boat right now.
The Health Sciences Summer Camp has been around since 2017. The whole purpose of the program is to target Delawareans and underrepresented students. Throughout the week, students interact with all of our health science departments, and they do different lab sessions, hands-on demonstrations, and also get to visit some of our clinics here at the STAR campus.
We did experiments with blood typing and urine samples, and then we did gel electrophoresis where we got to see DNA and look at base pairs. It was really cool. That was like my favorite part of it.
The goal of the summer camp program is to get students to consider careers that they've never even heard of or even considered. We also want to expose students to the University of Delaware and talk about some of the opportunities here that they can take advantage of and consider as an undergraduate student.
It's an amazing experience, and I'm so glad that I was accepted into this camp, because I learned so much more than I already knew, and I feel like I could perhaps come to UD, and it's amazing just space, and it's so surreal to be here and learning all this amazing information.